Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about all the equipment you need to get started with Vonage. Now, I know that Vonage is a great option for businesses and individuals who need a reliable and affordable phone service. But if you're new to Vonage, you might be wondering what all you need to get started. Well, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll cover all the different types of equipment you can use with Vonage, as well as how to set it all up. So, whether you're a business owner or just looking for a better home phone service, be sure to watch this video to learn everything you need to know about Vonage equipment. What is Vonage? Before we get into the equipment, let's take a quick look at what Vonage is. Vonage is a cloud-based phone service that provides businesses and individuals with a variety of features, including unlimited calling to the US, Canada, and Mexico, voicemail, caller ID, call forwarding, conference calling, and much more. Vonage is a great option for businesses of all sizes, as well as for individuals who need a reliable and affordable phone service. What equipment do you need for Vonage? There are a few different types of equipment that you can use with Vonage. The most common type is the Vonage adapter. The Vonage adapter is a small, black box that you plug into your home internet modem. Once it's plugged in, you can connect your phone to the adapter using an Ethernet cable. You can also use a Vonage phone. Vonage phones are specially designed to work with Vonage service. They come with all the features you need, such as voicemail and caller ID. If you don't want to use a Vonage phone, you can also use your existing phone. However, you'll need to connect it to the Vonage adapter using a special cable. In addition to the Vonage adapter or phone, you'll also need a headset. This will allow you to make and receive calls hands-free. How to set up your Vonage equipment. Once you have your Vonage equipment, you're ready to set it up. Here are the steps. Plug your Vonage adapter into your home internet modem. Connect your phone to the Vonage adapter using an Ethernet cable. If you're using a Vonage phone, plug it into the power outlet. Once your equipment is set up, you can start making and receiving calls. Tips for using Vonage equipment. Here are a few tips for using your Vonage equipment. Make sure your internet connection is strong. Keep your Vonage adapter plugged in at all times. If you're having trouble with your Vonage service, contact Vonage customer support. I hope this video has helped you learn more about the equipment you need to get started with Vonage. Vonage is a great option for businesses and individuals who need a reliable and affordable phone service. With Vonage, you can stay connected to your customers and loved ones no matter where you are. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video about Vonage equipment. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about technology and business. Until next time.